everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to do a little bit of a walkthrough of my smart home. My smart home is completely powered by Apple's HomeKit. I really like HomeKit as an ecosystem. I hate Siri, but outside of Siri, everything within HomeKit has been a fairly reliable journey. One of the big things was because my household is iPhones and iPads, I was able to get everybody access to the same home, and it was very seamless. It was very easy. Everybody just understands the user interface, and one of the big reasons why I like it, besides the ability to just bring on family members and the ease of use, because we all have our iPhones and the native integration, the other reason I really like HomeKit is how easy it is to add devices. The way you do that is something that's super reliable. The hardware has to comply with certain requirements, the software has to comply with certain requirements, and that allows for easy addition of the devices into HomeKit. So it's been great. In this video, we will not be going through any of my Home Assistant ecosystem. Home Assistant is the open source platform to bring all sorts of IoT and smart home devices that may not be directly supported by HomeKit. I can expose them into HomeKit. Home Assistant is a super powerful software. We will not be going into it. So this video is going to be all about how I have brought most of my lights, my thermostat, some of my other devices like my blinds into HomeKit, and how I am using my smart home. So it should be a fun video for everybody. Hope you like it. This is the Aqara button. It controls all my office lights, Lutron, Caseta, Nanoleaf lights, and it also powers my monitors through Home Assistant. I have the same Aqara button in my dining room. One press turns on the lights in the dining room and the balcony. Press and hold turns off the lights. A bunch of lights are connected to this. So pretty seamless, pretty quick. Let's talk about how I have automated my blinds. I have two sets of automations for my blinds. These are metal chain bead blinds. I am using Zigbee based controllers for the one that's on the right. So it's HomeKit via Home Assistant, and on the left one, it's through the RYSE hub, direct HomeKit native integration. That's the little controller. So the metal blind is in it, and that talks to the hub talks to HomeKit. That's the HomePod. So every time I ask the HomePod or Siri to control it, it has this bug where it'll move a little bit, just as you saw. I will try it again, and when I ask Siri to open the blind, it'll open it up again a little bit. So I asked, hey Siri, open up the blinds. It did its little thing, and now I'm going to ask it again, at which point it is going to properly, fully open the blinds. So that's what will happen. The third time's a charm in this, and this is all. I haven't edited this because I want people to see what the real experience is. So now, on this third attempt, it's going to fully open. So HomeKit via RYSE Hub, HomeKit via Home Assistant, and Zigbee. That's how I have automated all my blinds. Again, this video talks more about HomeKit. I am not getting into Home Assistant in detail in this particular video and blog post. There will be a second one for that. So that's how I have my blinds automated. Hey Siri, turn off living room and dining room. Hey Siri, turn off living room TV. That's it.